Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Today, our home, workplace, everywhere, electricity dominates our life. Now, when someone gets electrocuted, we do not use our presence of mind, then we also can be in danger. So, when you see an electrical accident, you need to use the presence of mind. If somebody get electrocuted, you do not go and touch the person. You got to go and put up the off, cut off the electricity supply to the person. Only then can you take the person to the doctor. But do not touch the person. Then you also will get electrocuted. Now, so today electricity dominates our home, workplace, transportation mode, everything. Now, there are a lot of things to remember when you think of electricity and safety. So we're going to write a short composition on electricity and safety. We need to be very, very clear. We need to be very calm. Otherwise, we also will not be safe. Electricity and safety. And safety. We have to remember that we should not touch and play the snap wire. So when you talk of electricity, electricity dominates. Electricity dominates our home, workplace, communication, workplace, and communication. Electricity dominates our home, workplace, and communication. We must remember the use of electrical appliances and machines and other devices carefully. We should always remember, we should remember to use the appliances, to use the electrical we should remember to use electrical appliances carefully. Okay, electricity dominates our home, workplace, school, wherever we go, mode of transportation, communication, everything. So we should remember to use the electrical appliances, whatever we use, very carefully. Now we must remember, we should remember to stay away. We should remember to stay away from snapped we should stay away from snapped live wires. And if you see that, what must you do? You should remember to stay away from snapped live wires. Report or inform, report it to the elders. To the elders, they will come and do something. Okay. Do not use hair dryer, electrical radio, or television near any source of water. So, do not, remember, do not use hair dryer, hair dryer, then what else? Hair dryer, electrical radio or television. Radio or television. Do not use all these things near any source of water. Television near any source of water. There is water nearby, do not use the hair dryer or electrical radio or TV so that you are not kept safe. Then, if power line is close in contact with the tree, do not climb on it. If, so do not climb a tree, do not climb a tree if the power line is very close to it, very close by, because it can pull you towards it. Another one, never touch any electrical thing with your wet hand. Do not touch. Do not touch any appliance, with your wet hand. With your wet hand. The next thing is, never climb an electrical tower. Never climb any electrical tower. If you do all this, you keep yourself safe. Okay. Lastly, stay away from transformers. Stay away. Away from transformers. Now look at that. Electricity dominates our home, our workplace, our transport, our communication, all that. So we should remember to use electrical appliances very carefully so that we remain safe. Our safety is important. Now, we should remember to stay away from snapped wires, live wires, snap live. Report it to the elders if you see it. Do not use hair dryer, electrical radio, television near any water, so any source of water. There is water nearby, be careful. Do not climb a tree, the power line is very close by. Do not touch any appliance with your wet hand. Never climb any electrical tower. We must stay away from transformers. It's very, very dangerous. Okay, now, what first aid will you use? The first aid that we could use. First aid used in this case is Switch off. Switch off the power supply is first switch off the main supply. The main supply. Switch off the main supply first. Second, do not touch or never touch the person. Okay, never touch the person before he is removed from the electrical contact or the electrical contact. Electrical. And finally, take the person to the doctor. Take the person to the doctor. Okay, so how do we keep safe if there is electricity? Electricity and safety. Electricity dominates our home, our workplace, our communication, transportation, etc. We should remember to use the electrical appliances very, very carefully. We should remember to stay away from snapped live wires. Report it to the elders if you see. Do not use hair dryer, electrical radio or television near any source of water. Do not climb a tree. The power line is very close by. Do not touch any appliance with your wet hand. Never climb any electrical tower. Stay away from transformers. Now, in case you get into trouble, what first aid will you use? First aid used in this case is first, switch off the main supply. 2, never touch the person before he is removed from the electrical contact. 3rd, finally, take the person to the doctor. Overall, learn to keep safe.